In this day and age when there's much fear, crime and homelessness, food insecurity, what would be your message so that there's less fear?
This was the claim of the founder of the Ahmediyya movement. Then why did he come? He said, the purpose of my coming is twofold. One is to bring the people close to their Creator, and secondly, to discharge your duties you owe to your fellow beings. So if you are discharging your duties to fellow beings, there should not be any fear of crime, food shortage, security, or anything else. So that is what we have been doing all the time. We are preaching, we are conveying this message, and we are practicing this message everywhere, wherever we have our community, in Africa even, in Pakistan, in other Asian countries, third world countries, or deprived countries, or the Western countries. Wherever we go, we convey this message, and we are running our schools, our hospital, to serve the humanity, and in so many ways we are serving the people.